welcome back to the channel. Today I'm finally doing a decorate with me vlog. It's mainly going to be focused outside, which is great because we have a lot more outside decorations today, or this year, which is really fun. But I'm still giving you guys a little sneaky peeky of everything that's happening inside. So I hope you guys enjoy following along on this decorate with me. My dogs are currently fighting, but what's new? Before we get into the meat and potatoes of this video, I just want to give a huge shout out to Linkind for sending me some of their product to test out and review in this video. I am so pleased. Here's a little sneaky peek of everything that you can achieve with the help of the Linkind lights that they sent me. Everything for this product will be listed in the description bar below for you guys to check out, and I highly recommend these.
Look at that spooky handsome man.
I'm really excited. I look really, really pale. Ghostly. Ghastly. I have my first ever, like, teaming up with the brand. Ah, there's a spider on it. Okay, guys. The brand has sent me not just one box that has 6 lights in it, but 2 boxes, 12 lights. So these are smart solar powered spotlights. Gosh, I'm so excited about these because you can do like a 1 million jillion billion light settings with them. And so honestly, you can kind of keep them out all year round because you can do Halloween lights, you can do Christmas lights, 4th of July, warm ambiance, you know what I mean? Like you can do literally anything. And so I'm really excited. I need to get them all unboxed and put together and then decide where I want to put them. I think I'm gonna put some in the front yard, like facing the garage, because when you're driving down the street, you kind of are seeing the garage, which is like not a really fun area. I might put some down in the front yard display, but I definitely need a couple in the backyard to kind of light up my trees and create some ambiance back there. So it looks like you can definitely obviously stake them, and then they might be mountable elsewhere. I'm not sure. I need to read more of the instrucciones. But then this is what they actually look like. So they literally have solar panels. Cool. And then they have the big old lights. Oh my god. Look at them color changing. Guys, I'm so excited about these. Ooh, okay. So, I can't believe I got 12 of them too. 12 is literally so many. click the button to switch colors. Oh, it's good. Oh, I like this, like turquoise. Hot pink, yellow, white. So many options. Oh, I like it. Okay. We're gonna keep some of the lighting because it's spooky. What's really cool is that you can also pair them with an app and color and change them and play with them from your phone, which is so freaking cool. So the lights turn off automatically, and this is part of the illumination mode, which basically enables the lights to automatically turn on at dusk, kind of after the sun goes down, and then off during the day using a sensor. So that's really nice because then they automatically come on when it starts to go dark, or it starts to get dark outside, and then they automatically turn off again when it's backlight outside. Very high tech. Fancy. Okay. I literally can't get over how many color options there are. Okay, so the first thing obviously is you have to download the app, which you can find on the App Store or like the Play Store, whichever you have. I just searched Aidot and it was the second one to pop up. So super easy. And then obviously you just have to make a little account, and they even have like a fun little community on here where you can like play games and like talk to other people, which I feel like was like a really random but like super fun feature. So after kind of laying out where I wanted all of my lights, I just needed to start adding them in. So what's really cool is that you can add things by room. So I was able to add in like the backyard, the front yard on the left side, and the front yard on the right side, which was really nice, especially because the front yard on the left side, the window is like right to my bedroom. So when I'm going to bed, I can turn off the lights so that these are not like party lights into my bedroom when I'm trying to sleep. So basically you just pair them by Bluetooth, and it's super easy. You hold down the thing on the light starts to blink, and then you select the light and boom, it clicks it. It already has a name, and then you can assign it to whatever room you need it to be assigned to. And then you have tons and tons and tons of like options to play around with. You can do colors, you can do blinking. It has tons of different settings where you can do like Christmas or disco or candlelight or sunset. Like, I had so much fun playing around with this. I did it literally for like probably over an hour just like playing. All right, guys. So one thing I learned on the app just now is that you can add multiples like at the same time, so you don't have to individually add each light, which is so cool. You can just go put them all into pairing mode like these. I'm really excited to turn these on tonight because they're going to be so fun and cool. And I'm just excited to play around with all like the different settings that they have, and because they have a bunch of different like light settings and everything in their app, and they have a bunch of other products, so I'm like super excited to try some of those out. Okay, let's get the rest of these hooked up. All right, now we've got 3 more up the driveway because I want it to like, I want the whole front yard to be lit. I didn't have that last year, and these are maximum impact, so I think it's gonna look so freaking sick tonight. Guys, these are so easy to add. Like, I'm so impressed. I've played with other smart home lighting stuff like this, and like sometimes it's impossible to get it to connect or put it in pairing mode or whatever. Literally not one of these has given me an issue. Boom, done. And I can change it to whatever I want. Look at the twinkle. Look at the disco mode. Wow, so fun. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, look how good this yard looks. Are you kidding me? Thank you so much, Linkind, for gifting these lights to me, because holy crap, like, this is how you walk into a Halloween party. Everything lit up and blinking. I had so much fun playing with all of their different Halloween light shows and different modes that are on here. So you can kind of see me. I flipped through a couple of them so that you guys can see some of the different options. They're so freaking good. Oh my God. Okay, let's head back inside to finish decorating the interior. Y'all, I'm so proud of how the inside of my house looks this year. I really feel like I was able to take it to the next level, and I really went above and beyond in some certain secret ways that I'm going to save for another video to give you guys a little house tour. But I'll give you one sneak peek, and one of the ways was I switched out my light bulbs all to black lights, and so it reflected everything white and neon and glow in the dark in my dining room. And it looked so good. I stuck with the Nightmare Before Christmas theme in my kitchen with lots of little hidden gems, including my Halloween countdown. Obviously had to have that. And then I kind of went with like a mad scientist theme on the mantle this year, which is different because normally I do hocus pocus, but I just really wanted to utilize these a little bit better than I was able to last year. And I'm also going to put up like a mist maker here so that kind of looks like it's all bubbling over and super creepy. And we went absolutely next level. You guys are not going to believe the bookshelves. I am going to show y'all a little bit of them because I went insane. And yes, I did pick up dead branches from my yard, spray paint them black, and stick them behind my TV so that it looked like I literally had a forest coming out of the back of my TV. I just thought it looked cool, so I did it. And it looks so good. What do you guys think? After adding some finishing touches and lighting a candle for some ambiance, it was time to finish up decorating for this year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like if you did. Hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see some more spooky content. I've got a few more videos coming your way, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!